This week on Dude Stuff.
Sketchy. Entering the bend fast. Whoa! Yeah! What is going on, guys? This is going to be a fun one today. So we're going to find out, is an e-bike better transport than an Usain Bolt? Now, everyone knows who Usain Bolt is. He has smashed loads of world records. Today we're going to put this bike up against some of his records. We're going to do a few races. You might be thinking this is a bit of an odd one, but when you look at it on paper, it's quite an interesting race because Usain Bolt is putting out 2,600 watts. Now this e-bike is a EBIKES mountain bike, which I converted with a KIRBEBIKE kit. And this kit is 1,500 watts, but it peaks at 2,000 watts. So I'm going to be pedaling this bike as well. So when you add together the 2,000 watts of this bike, plus however many watts I can pedal at, I think it's going to be quite a close race. Now, I think on the shorter races, I'm going to struggle to get the power down off the line and build up speed the same way a sprinter can. I reckon off the line I could probably outrun an e-bike myself because it takes a few meters to build up speed. Either way, I think it's going to be an interesting race. I'm going to take a guess I'm going to have better speed on the longer races. It's an almost derelict track that they're going to be shutting down. The surface isn't good. It's damp and wet today, but let's get straight into it. Right guys, here we go then, first race, 100 meters. Now Usain Bolt broke this record at I believe 9.58 seconds. I don't think we're going to win this one on the 100 meters because it's a lot harder to get an e-bike moving off the line than sprinting. You can get straight up to, you know, a decent speed pretty quick. I've got to get this bike off the line with electric assistance and me pedaling. I'm not that confident on this one. I've got to get me and the bike off the line, but let's stop talking about it, let's just get on with it. Let's see what happens. 9.58 to beat, not holding out much hope, let's go for it. So, start line here, got a stopwatch at the end of the line. It's not going to be super precise, but it's going to be pretty close.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ooh. My phone's coming out my shorts and everything. Right, hit me with it, Lou. What's the whole seconds on this one? 9. 9? Hey.
0.
What?
3.
9.03.
Yeah.
Yeah. In your face, Usain Bolt. E-bike power for the win. Oh, now I'm covered in mucky stuff. Right, guys. We're going to run this back again. Want to make sure, you know, obviously we've not got Olympic level accuracy on the start and stop times, but maybe we'll do the best of 2 or 3, give us a good idea. And I just like beating Usain Bolt, so we're just going to run it again. So when the countdown is ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Woo! Whoa! Hit me with it, Lou. 8! 8.94. Get in, sub 9 second, 100 metre. Right, guys, I've not got my lav mic attached because I've got the drone up in the air for this final race. So hope the audio isn't too terrible, and we're going to see if we can smash that 9 second mark again, if I've still got the energy. So when the countdown is ready, let's hit it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Right, hit me with the digits, Lou.
8,
Yes,
9, 1.
8.91. Right, I know I said best of 3. I'm going to do one more race straight away because I want to do the best of 3, and if I can break 9 seconds 3 times, then that is amazing. Right, guys, let's do this. Final race of the 100 metres. Can I smash 9 seconds for the 3rd time in a row?
3, 2, 1, go!
Ooh. Oh yeah, that was some serious pedal power. Hit me with it, Lou.
8,
Yes.
7,
Yeah.
5.
Yes. Celebratory donut. Right guys, we're down for the 200 metre run now. Now Usain Bolt has done this in a world record breaking time of 19.19 seconds. So I feel like my confidence is increasing now. I'm absolutely staggered that we smashed it with 100 metres. Let's find out whether it's going to be similar or whether we're going to absolutely obliterate Usain Bolt on the electric mountain bike. So without further ado, we're going to get straight into it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Trying to stay in lane. Oh, it's a bit slippery. I'm scared of keeping the power on. Ah, shit. Cross the line. Wow, that was scary fast in sliders and shorts going around that bend. Was a bit damp. Hit me with the first digit, Lou.
10.
10?
Oh, 18.
I'm like, 10 seconds, 200 metre, 18.
0.31.
Yes, in your face, Usain Bolt. Right, best of 3, let's go again. Honestly, I can't believe, I honestly didn't think that I'd be able to beat Usain Bolt's times. But anyway, onwards and upwards, let's go for run number 2.
3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa! Whoa! It's getting a bit sketchy now at these speeds on the bends. It's a good job I'm wearing my race pedigree protective sliders. Hit me with the first 2 digits, Lou.
17.83.
17! Yes, that's insane. Right, we're going to average that out of the best of 3. Let's do the final run. Right, let's get this done. 3rd and final run. We're obliterating Usain Bolt today.
2, 1, go!
Oh, that felt like a good one, guys. It felt good. Hit me with the times, Lou Bags.
17.
Yes.
79.
Get in there. Shall we see how much we beat him on the 400 metre times then? Let's go. Right, guys, I'm not going to do 3 runs on the 400 and 800 metres. I don't want to bore you guys to death. I think this is starting to give a good perspective of how much quicker this bike is. Anyway, we're going to do 1 run at 400 metres, 1 run at 800 metres. Anyone know what his world record is for 400 metres? Just Googling it now, got my assistant on hand.
45.28.
45.28. Right, we believe it's 45.28 for the 400. That is an entire circuit of the oval. I'm starting in almost the middle lane, which is slightly staggered. The finish line behind me is straight, so it's all fair and square. I'm going to stick in my lane. 45 seconds to beat without crashing on the bend wearing sliders on a damp track. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, it looks a bit mossy. Ah, I didn't want to crash on the moss, but there's loads of moss on the inside of the track.
3.5.
Yeah.
9.2.
Wow. I'm going to run it again because I'll tell you what happened. Where this is a derelict track that they're going to be demolishing, that back corner is so mossy and I'm not sure what speed I hit it at, but I bottled it and changed lanes quickly. So all I'm going to do is slow down for the moss, stick in my lane this time. 1 more run just to be sure. And you know, it's not fair that I changed lanes. I didn't want to, I'm trying to avoid crashing, but Let's run it again one last time. Final run, 400 metres, 45 seconds a beat. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ooh, that was sketchy. Those bends are naughty at those speeds. That felt so sketchy around those bends. So sketchy around them bends. Yeah, well, hit me with a time, Lou. 33.
2-5.
Oh, wow. Right, I'm just going to do the 800, the once and the once only, because can we look those times up for 800 metres? Yeah, it's pretty clear. The bigger the distance, the e-bike obviously just keeps the power on. I think that's what we're proving here, like short burst humans, especially talented ones like Usain Bolt, can really lay down the power, but you can't keep that speed up. I believe Usain Bolt hit 27.5 or so miles an hour midway through his 100 metre, but you can't sustain that speed. There's no humans that can, whereas this can. So we'll run the 800 anyway, just to see what happens. What is the 800?
2 minutes, 5 seconds.
2 minutes. Does that sound right? I suppose it might. They're going to slow down. Really? Is that the fastest time?
That's his fastest time.
2 minutes?
5 seconds.
Really? I thought it'd be like a minute and a half. No. He must slow down a lot for 2 laps then. That's a hell of a difference.
Sustain it for that long.
Yeah. It's clearly what I was saying. You can't sustain speeds for long as a human. But with the assistance of an electric motor, you obviously can. So, science, guys. Right, guys, this is going to be a complete annihilation of the world record holder by e-bike transport. Don't buy yourself an Usain Bolt, buy yourself an e-bike. And we're going to prove it once and for all. 800 metre, 2 full laps, hopefully without crashing on the wet bends.
3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa! Scary, scary. Header in the bend, 35 miles an hour.
33.
33 seconds for 2.
One lap.
Oh, I forgot to do 2.
Yeah.
What do you like?
Sacked. I can't believe I've done 1 lap. It was like 33 seconds. What a donut. I was on fire. Now we're going to smash 2 full laps. And this is going to be the final race to determine are e-bikes better than Usain Bolts for public transport. So 2 minutes and what?
5 seconds.
2 minutes, 5 seconds to beat. I'm feeling super confident as long as I don't crash on these slippery bends with off-road tyres on slippery asphalt, but let's go for it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, let's go. Final one, 2 laps, laying it down into the bend tight. Entering the bend of 35. Wet, slippery, sketchy. Flat out now, hard on the power. Coming across the line for the final lap. 35. Oh, sketchy, sketchy. Try not to cross the line. Entering the bend fast. Whoa! Yeah! Hold on the power now, final straight. And across the line. Right, Lou, I want to know the time. Hit me with the time.
1 minute.
Hold on. 2 minutes, 5 seconds to beat. And the e-bike, the 2000 watt e-bike against the 2000 600 watt Usain Bolt, did it in
1 minute, 3 seconds, .9.
wow, obliterated it. Literally 2 laps in the time it took him to do just a little bit over 1. I make that. That's insane, absolutely insane. Sick. Hope you enjoyed watching that one, guys. I had a lot of fun making it. Hope it was enjoyable for you guys to watch at home. Don't forget you can win an e-bike just like this one. I always give away raffles, £2 an entry. You can win a brand spanking new e-bike, maybe used for one video. Check out the link up on the screen. Go put your entries in now. You can win an absolute bargain. Absolutely astounded with the outcome today. I had a lot of fun filming this video. Outstanding that I actually beat Usain. How do you pronounce it? Usain Bolt for, I don't know, Usain. Outstanding that I beat Usain Bolt in the 100 metre dash especially. Absolutely blown away. So this bike with someone pedaling on it is quicker than Usain Bolt, which is absolutely amazing. Yeah, check out KIRBEBIKE.com for these DIY e-bike kits I install. They do everything from 250 watt up to 2000 watt, possibly beyond in the future. They're looking at getting 3000 watt. 60 volt kits coming in the near future. And that is it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, especially if you're not already. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in a video soon. Take it easy.